Easy grip. Plugging in your trailer wiring and trailer lights is easy with the ergonomic design of these trailer wiring connectors. The trailer plug features tabs on the sides for a better grip when plugging into the vehicle socket or unplugging. Versatile design. These connectors make great replacement 6-way wiring plugs and sockets. They connect the tail lights, brake lights, turn signals, electric trailer brakes and an auxiliary power wire. Durable construction. For long-lasting use and a reliable connection, the housing of these 6-pin trailer wiring connectors is made from strong, durable die-cast metal. Reliable connection. These 6-way round trailer wiring connectors are equipped with locking tabs that secure the plug into the socket when inserted. This helps maintain a reliable wiring connection in spite of bumps and vibrations while towing. Weather resistant. To help protect the splice and wiring connections, these 6-wire trailer plugs feature concealed terminals, keeping the wires from direct exposure to rain, dirt, road salt and other corrosive threats, wires not included. Like trailer hitches and ball mounts, electrical connectors range all over the board in shape, size and capability, but no matter what your trailer's electrical functions are, you need a solid connection to keep the power flowing and ensure safety on the road. CURT electrical connectors are designed and manufactured to give you a reliable connection every time you plug in your trailer. This 6-way round connector is designed to supply power for tail lights, turn signals, electric trailer brakes, a 12-volt battery and brake lights, as well as a ground connection. It features durable die-cast metal construction and comes with a spring-loaded steel cover to resist damage from dust and water. This 6-way round connector includes both a male end plug for your trailer and a female end socket for your vehicle. 6-way round connectors are commonly used on livestock trailers, boat trailers and utility trailers. Top reviews from the United States. Nice tight connection, won't fall apart. Used this to wire up a trailer to pull behind my Harley. It worked great. Getting the wires tight in the terminal was a little hard, but once they are in, they will stay.